Something beautiful happens in this world. You don't know how to express yourself, so you just gotta sing.
I just had sex, and it felt so good. I wanna let me put my penis inside of her. I just had sex, and I'll never go back. Till the night have the sex ways of the past.
Have you ever had sex? I haven't felt great. It felt so good when I did it with my penis. A girl let me do it. It literally just happened. Having sex can make a nice man out the meanest.
Never guess where I just came from. I had sex. If I had to describe the feeling, it was the best. When I had the sex, man, my penis felt great. And I called my parents right after I was done.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Guess what I just did? Had sex, undressed, saw her boobies and the rest.
Was sure nice of her to let you do that thing.
Nicer than a girl ever.
Now sing.
I just had